Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and I just wanted to bring forth a point. This is the Hot Wheels Slot Car Track Set 83105. It takes 6 AA batteries. But what I wanted you to see is it has this plug-in, and in the instructions it talks about a transformer. It even says that the transformer for control box are included only for the number 83125 and the number 83185. So this one does not come with a transformer, but it gives you a website. Let's see if I can find it here. Oh yeah, right there at the bottom, www.kidstech.net, and it gives you a number. Well, the number goes to China, and the website is under construction. Since this is the number 8305, I was searching all over the internet trying to find out if I needed a transformer for this model or not. And so we finally figured out that we did not need a transformer for this model. I just wanted to let everybody know that you do not need a transformer for 83105, and I wanted to let you know that because I had such a difficult time trying to find out whether that number was, or whether that was something I needed for this particular set. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.
Up there where the red cars park. Now try it, Dad.